In this guide, I'm going to show you how to go live on Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you need to go ahead and open up Instagram and tap on that plus icon or just swipe right from the home screen and open up this page. And you need to go ahead and look for the little live option on here. Go ahead and select that. It's then going to take you to a page. It looks something like this. At the very bottom, you're going to see, an option on here for adding a title. So make sure you go ahead and add a title. Up at the very top, you're going to see who you can share it with. You can put it as everyone. You could put it as a practice. You could put it as a close person. I recommend doing a practice test first. So just keep that in mind. But essentially, go ahead and set this up, add your title, and then whenever you're ready, you just have to hit the little live button down at the very bottom. Instagram will then go ahead and check your connection, start a countdown, and begin that live stream. And while you're live, followers may be notified and can join, comment, or request to go live with you. You can also open up the extra options tab to turn off comments, disable live requests, or copy the live link to share with others. To end that live, though, just tap the X up at the very top, and then, of course, it'll give you the option to end. Then you can decide to share, save, or of course discard that video. But that's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.